Hello, families.
This month's Preschool Purpose video is going to be talking about kindergarten readiness and our kindergarten kickoff event, which is Thursday, March 7th from 5 to 7. And this is a mandatory event for any child in the community who turns 5 before August 1st.
And if you have not signed your child up yet for kindergarten kickoff, you can call Becky Diaz at the board office, and her phone number is 419-732-2102.
Okay, so this month we have our first guest appearance on our Preschool Purpose channel. This is Mr. Stover. He's one of our kindergarten teachers, and he's going to give you some tips for some kindergarten things to look for and some information about kindergarten kickoff.
So a lot of parents always ask for tips on what their kindergartner should be doing before they come in to kindergarten. A few important things that we look for are for students to be able to recognize and write their first name. We like them to be able to tell a story by looking at pictures in a book as opposed to just reading the words. That's the first way they can go about reading a story. Also counting objects in a set of 10 or less, and that doesn't mean just counting, like rote counting. It means, spread some things out on a table and have them touch and count each thing. Also, something just as simple as sharing and taking turns is a very important social skill for them to be able to be successful in kindergarten. What we do during kindergarten kickoff, the parents have a chance to go into certain classrooms and meet with people. A couple of our kindergarten teachers present some information on what expectations are in kindergarten. Mrs. Van Doren will be doing a presentation about just some paperwork things and stuff like that. There'll be a makerspace set up for the parents and kids to work together with some teachers, see some things we do in there, as well as there's a reading station, a library card sign up, and also there's just a play area where we can see how some of those kids interact with each other as far as sharing and taking turns and stuff like that.
Mr. Stover, how does the kindergarten screening work? If this isn't kindergarten screening, when do you screen our kindergarten students?
Kindergarten screening is actually the very first week of school. We break students up into groups of 20 or so. They come in and we get a lot of academic information from them, as well as placing them in classes at that time.
Good idea. That makes sense.
There will also, Miss Page and I and Miss Whitney will be there when your child walks in, just to kind of have a familiar face and kind of show them where they're supposed to go, just to kind of make them feel a little more comfortable.
And we take their picture so that
Yes.
the kindergarten teachers can remember the faces of all of the kindergarten kids that will be with them next year. Okay, anything else?
I think that might be it.
Okay, thank you for watching our February Preschool Purpose video.
We hope it was purposeful.
Hello, families! So for this month's Preschool Purpose video, we're going to talk about kindergarten readiness and our kindergarten kickoff event, which is on Wednesday, March 7th from 5 to 7. And this is a mandatory event for any kid in the community who is turning 5.
It's Thursday, March 7th to 2102.
What?
I don't even know.
I didn't know how to transition you in. I forgot.
You guys told me you were going to cue me and tell me where to go.
I know. I just forgot this
We were supposed to introduce some.
You gotta introduce me. I'm not gonna introduce myself.
I know, yes,
Just
okay.
say, okay.
Just say we have.
That's fine.
Wider for us. Yeah, that way we don't have to
Hold on.
talk to each other.
Yeah, look fat.
I know, so do I.
Woo! Woo! Okay, now, including you, then we're going to talk about